Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Lincoln Town Car Signature Limited. This 4-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lincoln has less than 97,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.